guys, I'm going to teach you how to make taquitos and pizzas. First, preheat the oven 400. That's what I did. Put the pan on the heat. Open the bag of pizzas. Open up slowly so you'll get a teaspoon. And what you want to do is spread them well in the pan so they don't stick together. So I'm putting pizzas in the pan. And I am gonna put some taquitos. I put them on the pan and spread them around. And now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to get an oven mitt, open the door slowly and back away. When all the heat come out. And I put the pan in here. But be very careful. And how long is it was again? I gotta read the box.
13 minutes.
13 minutes. Cook time.
No. Clear it.
Cancel. Timer.
1 3
1 3
0 0.
Yeah, I know that. 0 0. Start.
Hmm?